Hello everyone, I'm Rose and welcome to Rouge of Rose and welcome to the 7th and final shade and video of the 7 Shades of Rainbow series. If you don't know what I'm talking about, in this series I take each shade of the rainbow and use it as the protagonist of my entire look. And for this video, the shade is violet/purple. I started this series around the last few days of February and this was supposed to end within the last week of March or beginning of April, but that did not happen because after Ramadan started and my semester started getting crazy, I just lost control of everything and my schedule was all over the place. But I guess everything happens for a reason because we are finishing this rainbow series coming into the Pride month. For this shade, I had decided to do a butterfly eye look covering my entire lid, but right before I decided to film this, Nikki Tutorials came up with a newest video where she did this beautiful purple pinkish butterfly eye look, but it was not covering her entire eyelid, and that really inspired me and I am going to do something like that today. But before we get to the video, make sure to subscribe to my channel and turn the notification bell on to get updated every time I post. I am so close to 100 subscribers and you have no idea how much it would mean to me if you would subscribe to my channel and maybe encourage others to do so. Now, without any further yapping, let's get to the video. First up, jumping right into the main ingredient, I'm going to take up this violet shade called Grape and I'm going to put this in the outer corner of my lid. But I'm going to keep a little bit of space right here because I'm going to draw the wing from there. And I'm making sure this shade is kind of slanted towards the brow. I'm going to repeat the same process in the inner part of my lid. Next, I'm going to blend out those two using this lavender and pink color right here. But I'm going in very light-handed with those just to make sure the purple is not overpowered. Starting from the very edge, I'm blending this out and making sure to blend out this corner and this corner as well. Repeating this for the inner part as well. Now for the center, I'm going to take this pink shimmer shade that I just broke, taking this right in the middle. I'm just going to blend out the edges of the shimmer into the purple. Now for the lower lash line, I'm going to take a mixture of these two shades again and take this to only 3/4 of my lower lash line, keeping this part empty for the wing. Now for the wing, I'm going to use silver glitter. Shocking. First, I'm taking some lash glue on my hand. Firstly, I'm in the top half of the wing to make sure it does not dry down before I can go in with the glitter. Then repeating the same process with the bottom half of the wing. Now it's time for the details inside the wing. I'm going to take a white liner and draw them out. I think that's enough for the wings. I'm going to put some white liner to the waterline. For the inner corner, first time I'm going in with a pink highlighter. Top of that, I'm going in with a white highlighter. And this is my butterfly look all complete. This is now probably one of my new favorite looks. And that pink shimmer really does it for me. And with that, this is the end of the 7 Shades of Rainbow series. I have to say thank you so much to everyone who has stuck around with me from the very beginning of this series. You have no idea how much your support means to me. This was a very long and colorful journey, so I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and who knows, maybe this could even make a comeback in the future. And if you have not watched the previous videos of this series, make sure to check them out. The playlist would be added at the end of this video. If you like this video, then please make sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, also comment down below what kind of makeup look you want to see next. Since the series is now to an end, I am in dire need of your suggestions, so please make sure to comment down below. I try to post new videos every week, of course, unless my life is a mess. So to stay updated about my next uploads, make sure to follow me in all of my socials. It's all linked down in the description below. I want to thank you so much for watching this video. Always remember to take care of yourself, and I hope to see you on the next one. Bye!